Hello everyone. If you like to see how to save this chubby squirrel, you are at right place. So let's go to start. You will find pattern for this squirrel at the end of this video, and you will cut it whole pieces as I am just showing on the video. Also, you will everything save as I am just showing on the video, hands on the sides, also like front and back side, feet, and then one extra part which is going to be for this plushie and its tail, also on the sides. Okay, so this is how it looks like once when it is sewed. You can see bottom of feet are slightly different this time. And now I'm going to show you how to put everything together. So you will feel your hands. Sometimes you don't have to do it, it depends on the fur, but in this case fur wasn't like, so I don't know how it call it, like really squeezy. So I added some filling inside. Once when it is done, you will just place your hands on the front and basically between front and back side, and just sew it as I just showed on the video. So here we are. This is your tummy. Now we are going to attach feet to that. You can also feel your feet and then you will attach them as I'm showing now on the video. Just make sure you are placing them in right direction, and also you are not placing them too far from middle of your belly. On the back you will exactly in same way attach your tail. That one is going to be like in middle of back part of your body, and it will create something like that once when it is sewed. You will have to turn this inside and then take bottom of your body parts and sew it around. So we will end up with something like this. This is the bottom of your squirrel. Alright, so this was body part. Now let's go to start with head. Take top of your head, attach nose, as I'm just showing on the video. Then place sides of your head and attach like basically that front part. And also ears. You can sew everything together. Then turn it out. As you can see, sometimes it can get messy, especially if you are working with fur, but it's fine. It's part of work. Alright, so let me show you how you put this all together. You will attach ears first. Just make sure you fold them in the way how you like it. And as all of things, I always try to like pin everything together, and then I go over to sewing machine and sew it over that. So I really recommend to do it in that way, or maybe even use handmade stitches and keep everything together. Okay, so these are ears. Just sew over that. Now everything is in the place and you are safe to basically attach side pieces of your head. Then just take first side and basically you will start to sew it together from nose part. So as you can see, that black part is nose, so we are going to sew all around until end of your ear, like that. So one side done, a little bit messy, but it doesn't matter. And then just do it other side, exactly in same way. Okay, so squirrel starting to look like squirrel. We only have to attach bottom part, which is basically just like bottom triangle. And we are also going to start from nose. It's just like from bottom side. and do it on both sides. So this is how it looks like. And basically, as last part, you will just have a back of your head, so it creates this kind of like circle on the back. Also, this is this time when you are going to attach your eyes. I used to make like small holes, but I am not giving these things to kids, so be very careful when you are doing this, because as we know, kids are very creative and they can unattach these eyes very quickly. So maybe even use like hot glue or whatever, just make sure they are staying on the place. Okay, so this is his head. Once when it is filled with filling, I'm also using like different kind of things to just like keep a nice shape of the head. And now it's just coming time to attach head to your body part. First at all, you have to make sure that front of your face, I mean squirrel face, is in front of middle of your tummy. I usually just make few stitches to make sure like everything is staying on the place, and then I double check. And if I am happy, then just like keep sewing head and attaching it to your body. At the end, I just fill body and close stitches on the back. If you want to have like tail standing, I really recommend to attach this to your back. But you don't have to do it. It's still going to look really nice even without that. Yep, so this is your squirrel. I hope you really like it. It's a little bit chubby, but I like it. I think it looks really cute. What do you think? And if you like to see how I made like different kind of animal plushies, just choose one and go to check tutorial. Thank you for watching.